Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor. Most of you know me because we always practice together. For all the new practitioners who've just joined Times Health Plus, welcome. I hope your journey with us from here on goes great. With that, we will begin our practice. Everyone, let's go back on our mat. We're doing a very nice flow which is connecting. Okay, you go from one pose to the other to the other to the other and you keep flowing. इसे ही हम flow कहते हैं. Flow यानी कि आप एक आसना से दूसरे आसना में seamlessly move कर रहे हो. And we will hold each asana for 3 to 5 breaths. Okay, I want you all to first watch me. हम कुछ आसनास करेंगे जिससे हम together practice करेंगे. एक बार आप सब मुझे देख लीजिए how I flow from one asana to the other, and then we will practice the flow once or twice together by holding each poses. I will repeat again. Just watch me first, don't practice. एक बार मुझे ध्यान से देख लीजिए. I will just show you the entire flow. इसके बाद हम ये flow साथ में hold करके practice करेंगे. आप ये flow practice करने के लिए you'll stand on the front edge of the mat, keeping your feet together or hip distance, that's up to you. Okay, the first posture that you will practice here is nothing but your Utkatasana. So from a standing Tadasana, you're going to your Utkatasana. Just keep watching everyone. To make this easy, आप अपने हाथों को यहाँ thighs पर भी रख सकते हैं. Advanced practitioners, you will keep your arms next to your ears. From the next posture, everyone, we will fold forward. Keep watching, don't practice. You will just keep your knees bent and you will release down in your forward fold. यहाँ से हम अपना right leg पीछे ले जाकर we will practice a nice high lunge. अगर आपको ये मुश्किल लगे, आप हाथों को इस तरीके से block पर भी रख सकते हैं. आप हाथों का support ले सकते हैं. From the lunge, keep watching. We will revolve our lunge. So we will practice Parivrita Ashvasanchalasana. You will twist your spine. You will look onto the other side. यहाँ से legs को बिना disturb किए opening the back leg. You will go to your warrior 2. Keep watching. From your warrior 2, you will open this leg to go to your goddess. And यहाँ से हम सारे poses को reverse कर देंगे. Okay, so what you practiced here, we will now just reverse it. So from your goddess, you will again go to your warrior, correct? You will go to your Parivrita Ashvasanchalasana. You'll go to your lunge Ashvasanchalasana. You'll go to your forward fold, Padahastasana. And finally, you'll go to your yogic squat, Utkatasana, Tadasana, and that's it. Again, अगर आप flow देख के intimidate हो गए हैं or if you feel it's too hard, trust me, it's not. We will do it very, very slowly and I will always give you easy and hard adjustments of doing the whole flow. So don't worry about it. Mental clarity, mental strength, you can do it. Let's begin straight away. We'll try to hold each pose for 3 or 5 deep breaths. Keeping the blocks close to you, everyone, in case you might need it. Start on the front edge of the mat. Feet can be together or hip distance. Tadasana. Take one deep breath here. Make sure your feet are firmly pressed on the floor down. Your spine is lifted up. Shoulders are rolled back. Chest is open. Chin is up. And your focus point is established. आप आगे की तरफ with steadiness देख रहे हो and you're not distracted. Let's practice our first posture, everyone. Knees bent, hips down, arms up if possible. If it's hard, you can just place them on your thighs. Utkatasana, yogic chair pose. Deep breaths. हिप को नीचे लाने की कोशिश करें, पैरों को जोड़ कर रखें, back straight. Keep holding, okay? Deep breaths. Advanced practitioners, you will keep your arms up here. Keep holding. From there, everyone, gently we place our hands down next to our feet. You can keep your legs bent and you will just release the spine. Advanced practitioners, you can straighten the legs slightly, keeping the stomach and your thighs connected. ध्यान रखें everyone that you're now not folding from the spine like this, but instead you're really lengthening the spine, releasing from the head. Hold. Deep breaths. Good job everyone. यहाँ से we will practice our Ashwasanchalasana, the lunge. You will place the right leg back. The knee will stay off the floor. Back leg will be off the floor. Front leg will be bent. You make a 90-degree angle. You can keep your hands on the waist, or you could keep them up, or you could keep them at your heart center. See what suits you. You'll feel a deep stretch in the front hip of the back leg. That's what we want. Keep your stomach tight, everyone. Remember, we're really trying to ignite the fire within you. Awaken the fire within you. Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. Good job. From there, let's revolve our lunge. So अगर आपका left leg आगे है, right leg पीछे है, you will gently twist your spine to the left side, bringing your right tricep elbow outside the left knee. You make a prayers pose. You rest your stomach on your thigh and you hold this way. Okay? अगर आपका elbow बाहर नहीं आता है, you can just slightly twist and you can do this also. Right? You can just gently twist onto the other side. Whatever suits you. Everyone, keep holding. Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. And from your revolved high lunge, we will now open our arms. We turn the back foot. We open our arms. We go to our, remember, warrior 2. Veerbhadrasana 2. Stay there, everyone. आपका बैक लेग सीधा रहेगा, फ्रंट लेग बेंट रहेगा, योर चेस्ट राइट अबव योर हिप्स, आर्म्स इन वन लाइन, हस्ताग्र दृष्टि फ्रॉम द लास्ट क्लास. If you remember, you're really looking at the tip of your middle finger. From there, we gently enter our goddess, this posture where you're really making almost like a sumo squat. You're opening your legs, you're bending your knees, हाथ आप चेस्ट के सामने या ऊपर या नीचे, और even on your thighs if you like. Stay there. Keeping your stomach tight. Keep holding. Keep holding, everyone. Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. And let's move to the other side. Let's keep the right leg bent. Straighten the left leg. Hence entering your warrior 2, Veerbhadrasana 2. अब हम सारा सीक्वेंस रिवर्स करेंगे. जिस तरीके से आप सूर्य नमस्कार में 7 पोजेस को फिर एक और बार रिपीट करते हैं, the same way we are repeating the postures just in reverse now. Okay? Stay there. Deep breaths from the nostrils. From your warrior, let's turn the back foot in, everyone. Let's revolve our lunge. Okay, so this time your left elbow outside your right thigh. Look on the right side. Deep breaths. अगर ये आपको मुश्किल लगता है, आप अपना हाथ फ्लोर पर भी रख सकते हैं. To make it slightly easy for you, you can use a block under your hand. Advanced practitioners, stay without the block, without the support. From there, we gently go to a nice high lunge, keeping the front leg bent, back leg straight. You hold. अगर आपको ये मुश्किल लगे, आप blocks भी use कर सकते हैं under your hands this way. This will take some load off your thigh. Okay? Keep holding. From there, everyone, let's step the back leg forward in our Forward fold, Padahastasana. You can bend your knees, you will release the neck, you will release your spine. Hold. And gently, slowly you bend your knees, lower down the hip, entering your Utkatasana chair pose, everyone. By now, I'm sure your thighs are hurting, but that's what we want. Let's stay there. Hold. And gently release. Relax. Good job, everyone. Last but not the least, make sure you join Times Health Plus community so you're not missing out on any updates, wellness tips, all the nice videos and reels we are posting for you guys so you can practice on the mat and off the mat. I will now sign off. I will see you next class with the same energy, the same spirit, with the same fire that we just ignited today. Till then, keep your smile on your face, keep your posture upright, and stay grateful always. Thank you so much, everyone. Namaste.